7 simple yoga poses for fast lower back pain relief. The lower back, otherwise the lumbar area, can be a zone that frequently gets sensitive for maximum of us at several points in our life. Whether we have to sit a lot throughout the day or whether we move a lot, the lumbar area can get affected. In any case, ache in the lower back can extremely affect your mood as well as your day. Yoga is extremely suggested for strong lower back pain. This is based on numerous studies that display that yoga practice has great power. Plank pose. Whether you are on your hands, forearms, otherwise selecting side plank variation through the lower knee up, otherwise down, this form will fetch strengthen your whole body. Shoulders, wrist, core as well as back muscles functioning together could be intense. Thus hold it for a short time. Child pose. Perhaps one of the greatest yoga poses ever. Child poses is a regular resting pose in yoga. This posture is great for giving you lower back release, while still increasing it. It's furthermore great for opening up as well as stretching your shoulder muscles. Cat and cow pose. From child pose, rise up towards hands plus knees. For cow, lift the chin up as well as drop the belly toward that mat as you look up, curving the tailbone uphill, then round the spine skyward, dropping the tailbone downcast as you appearance back to the thighs, similar a cat's back. Try this a couple times gradually, wallowing in every pose towards feel the stretch. Then move through the inhalation for few times. Inhaling as you move into cow pose through the chin and tailbone up. Respire into cat pose. Triangle pose. Straighten out the right legs as well as reach the hand onward, pass down to the right leg. You could make contact overhead the knee, on the shin, foot plus floor, otherwise use a block as well as place the hand on the block. Nearby the front foot, left arm is up as well as chest is open toward the side. Triangle posture gets into the spinal nerves plus supports the lower back. Sphinx pose. From child posture, come up toward all the four blasts. Then lower your abdominal down to the mat, spreading to the leg long. Get the elbows straight under the shoulders. Extend the fingertips extensive. With the inhale, pull the chest over the arms with respire and relax. This stretch gets space among the vertebrae of the lumbar. Spine plus will lessen comparison. Fish pose. Once you sensibly roll your forelegs out of plow, try the counter pose and fish pose. Peel your right hip off the mat as well as slide your right hand underneath the right hip and repeat on left side. Your lower back supports the complete torso. Thus taking care of it is kind of significant. Sitting less, moving more, distending and straining the back drives a long way. Though if you were having instant pain in your lower back, it is continually good to check it by doctor to make certain nothing more severe is going on.